Good morning, everyone. This is Ahmed Al speaking to you of Forex Trading Signal. First of all, guys, I would like to apologize for my voice. I'm a little bit sick, so I do apologize if I am struggling with my voice a bit. However, this video is for the daily analysis, for the technical and the fundamental. I would like to take an opportunity in this video as well to speak about the coming month and where is the gold is heading in the future. So I will give you an idea, but this is not for the trade, but I want you to be aware that what is the movement of the gold going forward in the coming few months. So if you look to the chart here, and if I want to draw a line between these two support areas, these two support areas, they are started from 2020 and they have end on 2022 June. So if I draw trend line between these two support areas here, you will find that this the trend line for the gold movement. And that movement it's started from 2018 and it ended on June 2022 after this breakout for this trend line. So in the long run term, you can see that the gold was on uptrend for quite a while. However, that uptrend, it has broken here and we have made a lower low at 1615, I believe, and below the 1684. So we have broken that level and we have made this a new level. After that, we have seen the bounce back, and that is based on the economy situation of the world. However, now we can see that these prices started to struggle around this area because this area is the test for that trend line. So going forward, the gold not yet has completed the three stages on weekly basis. So we are expecting in the future, in the upcoming few months, like after 6 months, 7 months, to see the gold started to trend down. And that is will happen after the recession if there is a recession. So now confirming this, that this is a testing area, if we drill down to the daily chart, we would see that the chart here started to make a reversal pattern. We are expecting to see movement below this trend line because now this trend line is the one is pushing the gold up. So we are predicting the movement below this trend line, the weekly trend line, and this is the area at 1911. However, I will remove now the trend line and I will show you if I want to draw two lines to create pattern, you will see that this is a raising wedge on the daily time frame and this is considered the reversal button, and we can see that there is a small breakout here and there is a retest going to happen today. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to sell the gold and target this area 1911. I will be targeting this area 1911 and I'm going to sell the gold on the daily basis from the higher prices. So I'm going to place an order from here and sell, and the moment the gold goes up, I'm going to add a position every $20 gap. If I add another position, let's say I have opened two positions, I will break them even in the middle, and from the same area I will open another position, sell down. So I will be having one position only to sell for long term. This is on the daily chart. However, if I want to go to the 4-hour time frame, I would see it's a choppy chart here. However, I will show you a reversal button on the 4-hour time frame. If I want to draw this head and shoulder, so if I want to draw this as a head and shoulder, you will see on the 4-hour time frame that I have head and shoulder button. It's a choppy a little bit, but it's clearly says I am head and shoulder, and this is the head, this is the left shoulder, and this is the right shoulder. So it's clearly here, and this head and shoulder suggesting the reversal as well. And now we have two patterns in the chart. So in the long term, I'm going to sell this again. If it did break this line, then it will support on this area. However, if it's breaking 1911, I'll be waiting retest again and continuation down. That is for today's analysis. So we are expecting price to go up bit, then start to go down. If I go to the economy indicators, I will find that there is no much economy indicator today. It's only three. The most important one is the GDP, the German GDP. This is low impact indicator. However, if there is only significant change on the number, like big number change here in the Spanish CPI and the German preliminary GDP, that will move the market a bit. If there is a significant change, if you see big numbers, whether it's red or green. So we got to watch these. 1 o'clock, this will be at EU market. However, only this will affect the market if there is any big change. And rather than this indicator, there is nothing else. So that's it. Today, I will be providing the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis evening time also as well. So you will be covering the whole day and you will be updated progressively. Thank you very much and we'll speak to you evening at 5.